Exported to a major power plant project in North America, the Class 2500 LB forged check valve serves as a core component safeguarding the safety and reliability of the plant's pipeline system. With a fully forged body, it delivers exceptional impact resistance and fatigue strength. Our digital horizontal precision machining centers ensure that every flow passage remains perfectly aligned and concentric. In high-temperature and high-pressure media pipelines, it acts as the first line of defense against backflow and pressure surges. Precision defines safety. With strict craftsmanship, we safeguard the stable transmission of energy for power plants worldwide.